Hi, welcome back to the Amoretti kitchen. Today we're going to be making a white peach Moscow Mule using Amoretti's white peach craft puree and Amoretti's sugar-free lime syrup. So let's begin. We're going to muddle some fresh mint. And we're going to use 3 pumps of the white peach craft puree, 1 pump of the sugar-free lime syrup, the juice of half a fresh lime, 2 ounces of vodka, and let's add our ice. Shake it up. So we're gonna shake things up a bit. We have some color changing ice that we're gonna layer into our glass with some fresh ginger and fresh mint leaves. We're gonna top it off with our ginger beer and garnish with fresh mint. There you have it, color changing white peach Moscow Mule. Enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. When you make this recipe, take a picture and tag us on social media. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell down below so you never miss a recipe. And make sure to subscribe to our newsletter to stay up to date on all of our promos, discounts, and giveaways. See you next time.